Students, today we will discuss chapter 7 data handling. Let us come to this mathematical reasoning part. See, there is a bar graph given, and on this bar graph there is some question from 1 to 4. Read the instruction here. Ravi collects all kinds of wastes thrown in dustbin in a day and made a data of items he collected from the house of his locality as given below. Study it carefully and answer the question that follows. So see here, this is the bar graph. What is given in the graph? Along this side, weight of waste is given in kg. Here is mark 0 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 15, 20 kg, 25 kg, 30 kg. Okay. And along this side, type of waste is given. Type of waste that Ravi collected that are given. What is showing the graph? Liquid waste is of 25 kg. Plastic waste 15 kg. Fruit and vegetable waste 30 kg. Paper waste 10 kg. Metal waste, that is 5 kg. Okay. Now you have to give the answer. Question number 1. Which type of waste collect is maximum in weight? So which one is maximum? It is very easy to find which bar is of maximum length. That is this one. So fruit and vegetable waste is maximum here. So answer is option C. Question number 2. How much more liquid waste are there than metal waste? How much more liquid waste? Liquid waste quantity is 25 kg. Okay. And metal waste is of 5 kg. So what is the difference between them? 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5 is 20 kg. So here liquid waste is more than metal waste by 20 kg. Option C. Question number 3. Which of the following two wastes have a total of 15 kg? Which of the following two gives total 15 kg? Liquid and plastic. Liquid is here 25 and plastic is here 10. 25 plus 10 is 35, not 15. Plastic and paper. Plastic waste 15 and paper waste 10. So 15 plus 10 is 25 is not the answer. Liquid and paper. Liquid 25 and paper, that is 10. So 25 plus 10 is 35, not this. See, paper and metal. Paper is here 10 and metal is 5. So 10 plus 5, 15. This D option is correct here. Question number 4. How much total waste collected on the day in kg? How much total waste? So you have to add all the waste, all the kgs of the waste. Liquid waste, that is 25 plus plastic waste 15 plus fruit and vegetable is of 30 plus paper waste 10 plus metal waste 5. So 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 30, 45, 45 plus 15. 45 plus 15 is 60, 60 plus 25, that is 85. So total 85 kg waste is collected. So here option A is correct. Now see, pass to the next level. Direction is given for question number 5 to 7. The given pictograph shows the number of French language class attended by 5 students of a class. Study it carefully and answer the question. Student name Jatin, Badal, Gaurav, Namit, Manoj. Okay. And number of French language classes for Jatin, it is given how many figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each figure representing here 4 classes. Each figure representing 4 classes. So Jatin has attained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 5 times 4. That is 20. Jatin has attained 20 classes. Next is Badal. How many classes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 multiply 4. 24. 24 classes attended by Badal. Gaurav, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiply 4. 16 classes. Namit, 1, 2, 3. 3 multiply 4. 12 classes. Manoj, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiply 4. 16 classes attend. Okay. Now you have to give the answer. Question number 5. Which of the following two students attend the same number of classes? It is clear that Gaurav and Manoj both have attained 16 classes. Same. So answer is Gaurav and Manoj. That is option D. Question number 6. Who attend maximum and minimum number of classes respectively? Attend maximum class, that is 24, Badal, and minimum class, that is 12, that is Namit. So Badal and Namit. First Badal and then Namit. So option D is correct here. 7 number. How many more classes Namit and Manoj attend together than Badal? See, Namit attend 12 class and Manoj attend 16 class. So they both together attend 12 plus 16, that is 28 classes, where Badal attend 24 classes. So how much more is it? 28 minus 24, 4 class. So answer is option C. Now pass to the next direction for question 8 to 11. Sonam went to a bird sanctuary and saw the different types of birds. Given pictograph shows the number of birds she saw. Study the pictograph and answer the questions. See here, this is the pictograph. Type of birds written and number of birds Sonam saw is also given. First we will count the number of birds and write down at the side as we done in the previous number. Blue tit. How many? Here picture is given 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. But see, each picture of bird is representing 5 birds. So here 4 picture. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 20, or 5 multiply 4, 20. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 picture. So 5 multiply 5, 25. Sparrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 5 ja 40 parrots. Starling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiply 5, 25. Seagull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiply 5, 35. And pigeon 1, 2, 3. 3 multiply 5, 15. 15 pigeon. So that's are the name of the number of the birds I have written here. Now you have to give the answer. See, question number 8. How many sparrow did Sonam see? How many sparrow? That is 40. This option B is correct here. how many blue tit and pigeons were seen by Sonam altogether? That means you have to add the number of blue tit and pigeon. Number of blue tit 20 and pigeon is here 15. So 20 plus 15, 35. Option C. How many more seagulls were seen by Sonam than the blackbirds? Seagull number of birds is 35 and blackbird 25. So how much more? 35 minus 25. Difference between these two, 35 and 25. That is 10. Option C is correct here. Okay. Now similar type of question is given here. Pass to the question number 11 on the same topic. How many starling were seen by Sonam? Starling. How many starling? See here 25. Option D is correct here. Now same type of pictograph is given for direction 12 to 14. I am leaving this. Also now pass to the question number 15. This one question. See, here is given a bar graph again. 5 friends made a bar graph of the number of marks they got in mathematics. Arrange the marks of the student in ascending order. Just see the bar graph and you can give the answer easily. You have to arrange the numbers in orders of ascending. So which one is the less marks here? Who has got less mark? See, Rohan. So first will come Rohan, then Rahul, then Rani, then Reena, then Ritu. So first is Rohan, then Rahul, Rohan, then Rahul, then Rani, then Reena, then Ritu. So option C is correct here. Next, passing to the next question 16. Before it there is a direction for question number 16 to 18. The given bar graph shows the time taken by 6 competitors to run a 200-meter race. Study the given graph and answer the following questions. See the graph here. On this direction, time is mentioned 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. In this way, time is mentioned here. How much time they have taken, that is given. And on the this side, this way, name of the competitors given: Raghav, Viraj, Rohit, Mohit, Ali and Jatin. You have to give the answer just seeing the bar graph. Number 16 question. Who completed the race before Ali but after Jatin? Before Ali but after Jatin. That means the bar graph should be less than Ali. Height of the bar should be less than Ali but more than Jatin. So less than Ali but more than Jatin. See here, Ali taken 66 second. Okay, Ali taken 66 second and 66 second. Jatin taken here 54. Now who is between 54 and 66? Whose graph? Here is this one, Viraj, taken 60 second. So it is between 54 and 66. So option C is correct here. Now see question number 17. Who took time more than 42 seconds but less than 50 seconds? That is, the time is between 42 and 50. Whose time is between 42 and 50? 48 is here. Between 42 and 50, Raghav. So option A is correct. Next question 18 number. Question number 18, this one. See, What is difference between the maximum and minimum time taken by runners to complete the race? Maximum time taken by Ali 66 seconds and minimum time taken by Mohit 42 seconds. What is the difference between these two? That means 66 minus 42. Subtracting we get 24 seconds. So here option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct here. Pass to the question number 19. From 19 to 21 there is a direction. See, the given pictograph shows the number of 4 different kinds of trees Rohit bought. Study the pictograph and answer the questions. This is the pictograph. See, mango, 3 picture of trees, but each picture of tree representing 5 trees. So, mango means here 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. Here is 15 tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 tree, 5 multiply 5. Here is 6 multiply 5 is 30 tree. Here is 2 multiply 5 is 10 trees. So these are the number of trees I have written. Now you have to give the answer. Question number 19. How many more guava trees did he buy than mango trees? Mango tree number 15 and guava tree number 25. So the difference 25 minus 15, that is 10. So option D is correct. How many neem trees did he buy? Neem tree, number of neem trees 30. Option B. What is the total number of trees he buy? Total number of trees, that means you have to add all these numbers. So 10 plus 30 40, 40 plus 25 65, 65 plus 15 80. So total 80 trees he buy. So this completes up to 21. Similar type of bar graph question is there from 22 to 25, and then let me pass to achievers section, hot section. Question number 26. Study the given table and answer the question based on the data in the given table. Name of the children given here, and things the child has, that is also represented by the pictograph. Given remark. Each figure represents 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Avika has 4 multiply 3, that is 12. 12 things. Where Astha, each figure represents 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times 2, 8. Ananya, each figure 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Bhumi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. How many has Bhumi? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 multiply 2, that is 14. Okay, we have got. Now give the answer. Who has the maximum number of items? Who has maximum number of items? 14, that is Bhumi. So option D is correct here. Pass to the next question, 27. Krishna counted the number of different types of cars parked in her colony. She made a bar graph from the data. Study the graph and answer the following question. In the bar graph, it is showing the number of cars this way and types of car this way. Number of cars represented 0, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16 in this way. And types of the car given here: SUV, sedan, hatchback, sports car, microcar, and mini car. These are the types of the car. You have to give the answer. What is the difference between the maximum and minimum number of types of car parked? Maximum number of types is here. Maximum number of car parked is SUV. And minimum is here minivan. How many? Here SUV 36 and minivan 8. So what is the difference? 36 minus 8, that is 28 will be there. So difference is 28. Pass to the question number 28. Here is also a pictograph. What is the question? The given pictograph shows the number of trucks having different items. Study it carefully and answer the question. Types of item is given: tiles, number of trucks. Here representing, first we will count the number of trucks and see each truck represent 10 trucks. So how many trucks here? For tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied 10, 50. 50 total cars. Tires, 1, 2, 3. 3 multiplied 10, 30. Cement bag, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied 10, 40. Generators, 2 truck, that means 2 picture, that means 20. Shirts, 3 trucks, 3 picture, so 30 trucks. Number of trucks written. How many total number of trucks are there altogether? That is, we have to add. So add this. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 5 17, 170. So option B is this option B is correct here. Pass to the question number 29. The given bar graph shows the number of books read by pupils in a class from July to December. Study the graph and answer the following question. Now what is the question? How many books were read altogether from July to November? How many books were read altogether from July to November? So see here, how many books read in July, that we can find from the graph. See, in the graph it is given 1 gap, 5 gaps, then from 0 to 25 there is 5 gaps. So 1 gap means 5. Okay. So see here, July, after 75 there is 1, 2, 3 gaps. Then we get July bar here. So it becomes 75, 80, 85, 90. 90 books. August have after 50, then 55, then 60, 65, 70. 70. September, 0, then 5, then 10, then 15, then 20. September, 20. October, it is 95. November, 50, then 55, then 60. Up to November we have to count and add them. Let us find total. 5, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 9, 33. 335. So our option is coming number D. Pass to the last question, number 30. The given pictograph shows the number of muffins eaten by 4 friends. Study it carefully and answer the question. What is the question? How much less muffins did Priya eat than Nisa and Nitu altogether? And see, in the pictograph it is given each figure means representing 3 muffins. So just we have to calculate for Priya, Nisa and Nitu. Priya 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiply 3, 12. Nisa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 figure. So 7 multiply 3, 21. And Nitu here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiply 3, 18. Question is, how much less muffins did Priya eat than Nisa and Nitu? So Nisa and Nitu, whatever they totally ate, that is 21 plus 18, we get 39. And Priya ate 12. So how much more is it? Subtracting we get 27. So here option D is, this option D is correct here. Okay. So with this, the chapter is completed here. We will discuss another chapter in next class. Thank you and goodbye.